Hi everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the date of birth in your Google account step by step. This works on both Android phones and iPhones, so let's get started. First, open the Google app on your phone. At the top right corner, tap on your profile icon. From the menu, tap on Manage your Google account. This will open your Google account settings. At the top, switch to the Personal Info tab. Now, scroll down until you find the Birthday section. Tap on Date of Birth, and then tap on it again to edit. Here, you can change your day, month, and year. After entering the correct date of birth, tap Save. Google may ask you to verify your identity for security reasons. Just follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the change. Once verified, your date of birth will be updated successfully in your Google account. This change will also reflect across Google services like Gmail, YouTube, and the Play Store. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick Google tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.